Hello and welcome to Chalchitra Talks. मेरा नाम हिंदोल है and today I want to recommend some of my favorite Tamil masala films from the last decade. पहले मेन स्ट्रीम तमिल फिल्में अपने ओवर द टॉप एक्शन और लार्जर देन लाइफ हीरो एंट्रीज के लिए जानी जाती थी. द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू यूजुअली सॉ इन मीम्स. But that's not the reason why I have been a fan of Tamil films, especially since the last few years. इंडियन सिनेमा अपनी मसाला फिल्मों के लिए जाना जाता है एंड द रीसेंट सक्सेस ऑफ सूर्यवंशी हैज ओनली शोन दैट देयर इज नो बेटर बॉक्स ऑफिस गोल्ड than a well-made masala film. The films I'll be talking about today have brought a fresh and unique perspective to masala storytelling while dealing with unconventional subjects. So let's jump right into the recommendations. My first recommendation is the recently released thriller Manadu, directed by Venkat Prabhu and starring Silambarasan TR and SJ Surya in the lead roles. Manadu एक political thriller है where a Muslim man named Abdul Khalik gets stuck in a time loop. खालिक एक पॉलिटिकल कॉन्स्पिरेसी में फंस जाता है जहां तमिलनाडु के चीफ मिनिस्टर को मारने का प्लान बनाया गया है. द टाइम लूप कॉन्सेप्ट हैज बीन explored in Hollywood films like Groundhog Day and Edge of Tomorrow, बट आपने कभी इसे इंडियन मसाला फॉर्मेट में नहीं देखा होगा, which makes Manadu a very interesting watch. The twists and turns keep you on the edge of your seat, while the film also delivers a very important message without getting preachy. Manadu is currently running in theaters and will be soon out on OTT platforms. अब मैं 3 ऐसे तमिल फिल्ममेकर्स के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा जो करंटली तमिल सिनेमा के सबसे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Despite their commercial success, the three of them have very distinct individual styles which leads to their films being unique every single time. The first filmmaker on this list is Nelson Dilip Kumar. नेल्सन ने अब तक सिर्फ 2 ही फिल्में बनाई हैं, बट बोथ ऑफ देम डिजर्व अ मेंशन ऑन दिस लिस्ट. हिज फर्स्ट फिल्म कोलमावु कोकिला स्टार्स नयनतारा इन द लीड रोल ऑफ कोकिला, जिसे अपने माँ के लंग कैंसर की ट्रीटमेंट के लिए पैसों की जरूरत है. वन थिंग लीड्स टू अनदर एंड कोकिला एंड्स अप डिलीवरिंग ड्रग्स फॉर अ लोकल ड्रग माफिया. डिस्पाइट दिस ग्रिम सब्जेक्ट, ये फिल्म एक्चुअली एक बेहतरीन ब्लैक कॉमेडी है with a fantastic supporting cast and a killer soundtrack by Anirudh Ravichandar. Nelson is a master of subtle deadpan humor, which is unlike the loud comedy that we usually see in mainstream films. However, he takes this one level higher with his next film Doctor, which is not only an effective black comedy but also a very tightly written thriller. Doctor is the reason why I wanted to make this video in the first place. Doctor stars Shiva Karthikeyan as Varun, जो आर्मी में एक डॉक्टर है और बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल है अपनी लाइफ को लेके. वरुण डज नॉट शो एनी इमोशंस एंड वो बहुत ही काम तरीके से अपने सारे डिसीजंस लेते हैं. In a lot of places, Shiva Karthikeyan's performance as Varun reminded me of the legendary Gus Fring from Breaking Bad. How Varun gets entangled with a human trafficking plot and how he uses his sharp mind against the traffickers forms the rest of the film. Like Kolamavu Kokila, यहाँ भी एक बहुत ही dark subject को comedy के साथ treat किया गया है. But here, the lead character shows almost no emotions throughout the film. Yet he is always one step ahead in the game. Hence, a lot of the comedy comes from the stellar supporting cast. A lot of people have very polarized opinions about the style of humor in this film, but personally मुझे ये दोनों फिल्में बहुत अच्छी लगी हैं and I would really urge you to watch these films and give them a chance. Kolamavu Kokila is streaming on ZEE5 while Doctor is streaming on Netflix. The second filmmaker I'd like to talk about is Lokesh Kanagaraj. Lokesh's style is very heavy on action and हम अक्सर एक्शन फिल्मों में देखते हैं कि the plot is either too superficial or the characters are mere cardboard cutouts. But Lokesh roots his characters with flaws and strong emotions, which makes the films very entertaining to watch. One of the biggest hits of this year has been Master, starring Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi. Vijay plays the role of an alcoholic teacher named JD, who is unlike any of the typical heroes that you see in Tamil cinema. However, it is the character played by Vijay Sethupathi named Bhavani, which intrigued me more. Bhavani इस फिल्म के विलन है और फिल्म एक्चुअली उनकी बैक स्टोरी से शुरू होती है. किसी भी फिल्म का हीरो उतना ही स्ट्रांग होता है जितना कि उस फिल्म का विलन, एंड द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ मास्टर इज इवनली स्प्लिट बिटवीन जेडी एंड भवानी. The second half of the film definitely has its problems, but it's nevertheless a fun watch with some great whistle-worthy moments. I would also like to recommend Lokesh's other 2 films, Managaram and Kaidi. Managaram is a hyperlink thriller about a bunch of people in the city of Chennai and what happens to them over one night. I would like to mention two subplots to watch out for. One, the comedic track involving the character named Winnings, and the second being the emotional story arc of Charlie the cab driver. Meanwhile, Kaidi is about a mysterious truck driver who is entrusted with an important mission and what happens to that mission over one night. Interestingly, Managaram and Kaidi are both being remade in Hindi, which goes on to show how impactful these films have been for the audience. You can stream Master on Amazon Prime, Managaram on YouTube and Amazon Prime, and Kaidi on Disney Plus Hotstar. Also, I haven't ever recommended a film even before it releases, but I would really recommend the teaser of Lokesh's next film Vikram. Vikram is an action thriller, and इस फिल्म के बारे में मैं बस आपको इतना ही बताना चाहता हूँ कि this film stars Kamal Hassan, Vijay Sethupathi and Fahad Fazil. If that lineup hasn't got you pumped up, I'm sure watching the teaser definitely will. This brings me to the last filmmaker on this list who actually got me interested in new age Tamil cinema. इन्होंने अब तक बहुत सारी फिल्में बनाई हैं, but I just want to recommend one film of his which I keep going back to again and again. Around 2014-15 मैंने seriously world cinema, Hollywood वगैरह explore करना शुरू किया था, and उस टाइम पे मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे ये फिल्म recommend की थी. He didn't tell me anything about the film, he just said कि मुझे ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. And Arvind, if you're watching this video, you were damn right. This film is obviously Kartik Subbaraj's Jigar Thanda, starring Siddharth and Bobby Simha in the lead. Siddharth plays the role of Kartik, a young filmmaker जिसे अपनी पहली फिल्म बनाने का मौका मिला है. Kartik pitches a story to his producer, but his producer wants him to make a gangster film instead. Kartik goes to Madurai and he discovers a real-life gangster named Assault Sethu. Whether Kartik completes his film or not and what happens to Sethu forms the rest of the film. Now अब तक आपने realize किया होगा कि मुझे comedies बहुत पसंद हैं and this film uses its humor very well. कार्तिक सुब्बराज की स्टाइल में आपको क्वेंटिन टैरेंटिनो की झलक मिलेगी in the terms of the colors he uses, the snappy dialogues or even the action sequences. Kartik also uses a lot of references from Tamil pop culture and from older Tamil films which are fun to watch. But more than anything, it's the unpredictable character of Assault Sethu which makes this film a dynamite to watch, especially because no one would have imagined a character arc like this for a gangster, especially a dreaded one like Assault Sethu. Jigar Thanda is also being remade in Hindi as Bachchan Pandey, starring Akshay Kumar in the Assault Sethu character, and I just want to say that before the remake comes out, do watch the original. You can stream Jigar Thanda on Disney Plus Hotstar. So these were my recommendations on Tamil Masala films. Do let me know what you think of these recommendations and please do suggest what else you would like me to recommend. Tune in for more streams and recommendations on the channel and I'll see you guys in the next episode.